Hey everyone, in today's video, I will be comparing Odoo, SAP and Oracle. If you are gonna start a company in 2025 but don't know which of these ERPs to use to manage your business, don't worry. In this short video, I will be comparing the key features of these ERPs and help you find the best suitable ERP for your business. Choosing the best ERP depends on your business size, industry, budget and how much customization you need. To compare these ERPs, I have put their key features in a simple structured table. First, let's begin with Odoo. Odoo is best for startups and mid-sized businesses as it is affordable and user-friendly. Most companies choose Odoo because it is open source and you can adjust business processes as you wish. For example, you can add or remove features, change workflows and even more. Odoo also contains many independent but integrated apps. Each app handles a specific function like sales, HR and lot more. Odoo can be used in your mobile phones and other devices as well, which allows employees to work from anywhere and anytime they want. Your ERP will be set and ready to use in less than a month. Let's go to SAP. SAP is best for large companies who are globally recognized. But unfortunately, SAP is an expensive ERP compared to Odoo. Customization is limited. A skilled employee is required to handle with SAP because it has a lot of features and complexity. SAP also contains many modules as Odoo does. SAP also can be used in your mobile phones and other devices. Your ERP will be set and ready to use within an year. Next to compare is Oracle. Oracle is best for large companies who are globally present. It is a bit expensive than Odoo. It is highly customizable. Oracle also requires a skilled employee to manage as it is complex. Oracle also has many apps. Oracle, as other ERPs, can be used in smartphones and other devices. Oracle takes at least an year to be implemented in your business. Now, which is best for you? If you are just starting a company and you're gonna run a small business, also if you are budget tightly, you can go with Odoo. If you have a mid-sized or a large company and need global recognition, also if you have adequate budget, you can either go with SAP or Oracle. Both are recommended. So yeah, that's it for today. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.